Hello and namaste everyone. So guys, let's see your health reading for this month of December. And before starting, let me tell you one thing guys, that I do not do personal health readings because a lot of energies matter when it comes to health readings. So this reading I'm just doing to help from myself because I see a lot of people facing health issues nowadays. So I wish to help, just to give a general guidance that how you can take care of yourself, because your daily routine, your daily work, which we take it very lightly, also matters a lot with respect to health. So let's start. First we will see from this oracle deck. This is affirmations oracle deck, which will help you in maintaining your health, overall life, in fact I would say. Okay, so here's the message. And yes, the message is I'm financially secure. Yes, it really matters. If you are struggling financially, that really affects the health, because then a lot of people will overburden themselves with a lot of work. Then they will do extra overtime, and they will do some extra work or something, everything, and they will keep on stressing, like how will be my financial status and all everything, because they need to look after the family and everything. So yes, your financial situation, your financial status has to be secure. Behind there is a message guys, and I will post the pic in the video, so this will help you. Okay, so now let's start with the reading from tarot. This will be a 5 card reading guys, and where I will be including obstacle card and advice card, so this will give us a more clarity that where you are lacking with respect to your health. Let's see. Okay, taking this card. While explaining, I will show you the card, so you need not worry guys. Okay, so the cards are ready, and this card, I don't know, this came in my hand, and this is the card 8 of Swords. And I guess this can be the theme of this overall reading, that you are stuck in your own perceptions, own thinking, own thoughts that are not positive, that are very negative, and you think that you're not able to come out of it. But no, that's not the case. Just remove this tape from your eyes, just then you can also, release yourself and come out of this. But you just think that there is no option out there to come. So now let's come towards the reading. Okay, so the very first card is the Lovers card. And guys, with this I guess that whatever is there in your mind, you're not that open up with your people, your own people. Even if you are committed, you are in relationship, or whatever may be the situation, or even if with your family, you're not that open to them, like what you feel, what you want, where they are going wrong. You're not that expressive. And yes, this can cause health issues, because this is affecting your emotions, because you're keeping it towards yourself. This is what I feel. I don't know, I'm getting this feeling, hence I'm saying about it. You need to balance yourself guys, you need to heal yourself, because I guess there is a lot in your mind, in your emotions, that is stuck and you're not sharing with anyone. Maybe your chakras are blocked, and that is why this card came up, Temperance, which says that you need to do your healings, you need to work on your emotions. These cups are showing emotions, you need to balance your emotions. Basically, this is what this overall uh, card, the picture is been shown. That's the thing. And you can also see that one leg is in the water, one is on the ground, so you need to ground yourself. Overall, the same scenario, that you need to heal yourself. That will help you in each and everything. This is what I see guys, else see what will happen. not a very good card, guys, not at all a very good card. So before something extreme happens with respect to your health, please work on yourself. Now please do not misunderstand this message that this person is dead or so. No, nothing like that. Just that this person is something has ended in their life. This card shows that. Doesn't mean that this person has died or something. So please do not misunderstand this. This is what I would say. Your obstacle card is Seven of Pentacles, guys. It clearly shows that you just keep on looking, but you do not take action. Now this pentacle is all with respect to money actually, but maybe whatever money you have earned till now, maybe you are very much possessive about it, like secure it. That's the thing. And another thing that I'm getting over here is, fine, you may be investing the money that you have earned, but a lot of time maybe you are investing in a wrong place. So please be careful where you are investing your money, and invest your money, spend your money. Don't just keep on looking at it. This is what the message I'm getting from this card. This is what I would say, because unless and until you don't live to the fullest up, I'm स्पीकिंग इन हिंदी दिस, आप पूरी तरीके से जब तक नहीं जियोगे, लाइफ को नहीं जियोगे, it's of no use, guys. Live your life to the fullest. This is what I would say. Don't just keep on looking at it. Spend money. Nothing happens. When you will spend money, only then new money will come towards you. Because even the Lakshmi, the goddess of money, says that these people are not spending me, then why should I come at their house? They have enough of money. And why? Enjoy your life. Don't just be very much, no, I cannot, I don't want to spend, no, I cannot. No, guys, live for yourself. This is what I would say. Only then I can say that somewhere situation will start turning around, because this advice card is simply showing that everything is at a pause. But this person, you can see, he is sitting on the horse that ready to move. So this will happen only when you will change your this perspective. Only then you will, your situation will also change. That's the thing. For this, you need to come out of your that typical whatever you're thinking. You need to come out of it, guys. Because a lot of time I have seen a lot of people in my own family, relatives, I would say, that they don't spend, they don't do anything, guys, and literally later on it has literally affected their health. This is what I'm saying. And looking at this reading, I'm getting that overall feeling that you're not sharing much of the things with your own people. You're not that open up to your family, to your own people, because also you need healings, because I would say, because of that. Only then this will work, or else it will it will literally give you certain issues. This is what I would say. So please take care of it. This is what I would say, guys. So this was the reading for you. I hope I was able to convey a message from this. Thank you.